Another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a coloring page, right? So I basically have the customization right here, and I'm using 8.5 by 11 inches. I'm going to go ahead to select create new design, and of course Canva is going to go ahead to populate a sheet for me to work on. So immediately I'm just going to go over to elements. Let me get over there. So of course Canva will always give you like templates that you can actually work from, but I'm not doing any of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on elements. In the description section, I'm just going to write outline of, let's say a princess. I should have probably like specialized like Cinderella or something, right? But anyhow, let's just go over to graphics. And as you can see here, Canva has given us a wide range of princesses, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to select the one that I like the most. Okay. Okay, so definitely, I like this one. Well, I'm just checking to see if it is that there's any other that I like. And definitely there is. So I'm just going to remove this one. This is the thing about creation, right? You can actually see something first and be like, hey, you like that. And once it is that you go ahead to scroll further, you see something totally different. And you're like, okay, this is definitely what I'm working with. So I'm just sizing this on the page, right? And just like that, you'll actually have a coloring page, right? But I just feel like this does not look the way that I want for it to look, right? So I'm just going to get like other things where I can actually put on it. So let's see what Magic recommendation has. Okay. No, I'm not liking that one. I need a rainbow. There we go. I'm just going to use this one here. I'm going to add a flower right here. Probably even two of them. Let's go with another one. Over on this side. I think I want to flip this one. So I'm just going to go ahead to flip it horizontally. Okay. And let's just now put a grass. Guys, I can never like prep beforehand because I know that once it is that I eat like making this coloring page, I'm going to find something to put somewhere, right? So let me just use this one here. Here we have grass. So I'm just going to input this right here. Let's put it right here. And let's make another one. I'm just going to like resize it. And I'm going to do another one. And this is what I'm talking about. This was once a blank page, right? And now look at it. Beautiful as ever. So I'm just trying to catch this one so I can fix it. Just a little bit upwards. And just like that, we have our coloring page. Absolutely beautiful. For the rainbow, I'm just going to go ahead to duplicate it once more. I'm going to put it over here, but I'm just going to downsize it a bit. And here we have our coloring page. So guys, once it is that you have the idea, you just need a blank sheet, right? Canva has all the elements that you can actually choose from in order to make your idea come alive. So this is basically part 1, right, of me showing you guys how to create a coloring page. Stay tuned for part 2.